Hi everyone, this is Chainlinks, basically a block analyzer I have built from scratch using Go as the backend and Next.js for the front end. So currently we are in the transaction tab and we have been given two things, that is fixturization and pasting the raw transaction and the pivot thing. So basically I have already pasted the multi-input segwit transaction and analyzing it will do this. So as you can see, the analysis happened in just a second, and transaction ID has been given, total in, total out, fee paid, and the value breakdown of it, value flow of it, the transaction details with the witness transaction ID, with the segwit discount, and also the warning has been given, as you can see, replaced by fee. So basically, sequence number signals opt-in replaced by fee. You can also see the flow diagram, value flow diagram as in this, and also the raw JSON ID that is particularly used to build this whole analysis of the transaction. And now coming to raw transaction, I've already pasted raw transaction, and analyzing that will also give something like this. And you can see the value flow diagram, transaction flow, segwit discounts, same as what we have did for the fixture JSON as well. Now moving to the block, this is pretty interesting, as we will choose one block from it and its corresponding rev, and these OR keys same for everyone. So yeah, analyzing this block. So basically, as you can see, the block summary, Coinbase transaction, and the raw JSON you can see here as well. That is shown like this, and analysis will show different charts like pie chart, this histogram, heat maps, and all, and the transaction thing as this. And this is the about page where we can get the summary of the whole application, like what are the scripts written and this.